Time to play fidget hide and seek. Let's go. Can you find one anywhere? I'll give you 3 seconds. Right here, you were correct. If you found this one, comment down below. I found it. Okay, let's see. Maybe in this ladder. You don't see any? Okay, we can come back to this spot. Okay. TV stand, TV stand. You saw one? Okay. Great job, you found a dimple. You sure you saw one on the ladder? Yeah. Up? You did. Good job. We have 3 objects. We just need 4 more, I think. There's another one on the ladder? Where? Down below? Oh, right here. I see what you mean. Found it. Great idea. Let's continue. Here? Good job. You found another one. What? What'd you see? Where? Here? I don't see anything. To my left? Oh! Good job. You're great at this game. Okay. Where's the last one? You found them all? Okay, let's check. You didn't find them all. Where's the last one? Here, I'll give you a clue. It's over here. Where? Behind? No, it's not behind. You sure it's behind? There's nothing behind. Right here. Good job. You found all of them. Bye.